Ashoka's message for the people. Number 1, obey your parents. Number 2, respect the elders. Number 3, do not kill the animals. Number 4, spend as little as possible. Number 5, serve the Guru. Number 6, to be kind to women and servants. Number 7, to give donations to Brahmins and monks. Number 8, respect and try to understand principles of other religions. In the year 251 BC, Ashoka convened third Buddhist conference in Mogliputa Tishya Tisa in Patliputra. The objective of this conference was to establish religious unity for removing religious differences which had raised. Ashoka propagated Buddhism in Indian states of Kashmir, Gandhar, Chola, Pandya and Kerala. Emperor Ashoka sent missionary boats to Myanmar, Ceylon, that is Sri Lanka, Syria, Egypt, Macedonia, etc. Ashoka sent his son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra to Ceylon to preach Buddhism. Thus, during his reign, Ashoka granted royalty to Buddhism. In addition to preachings, Ashoka also performed public welfare work. He arranged for treatment of human and animals. He got wells dug, planted trees, built roads, and built restrooms. Because of his qualities and deeds, Ashoka is regarded as one of the greatest rulers in the history. Emperor Ashoka died in 232 BC. He ruled for 36 years. Students, in 251 BC, Ashoka convened the third Buddhist conference on the presidential post of in Mogliputa Teshya Tisa in Patliputra. Ashoka propagated Buddhism in India, Kashmir, Gandhar, Chola, Pandya, and Kerala. In foreign countries like Brahmadesh, that is today's Myanmar, Ceylon, which is known as Sri Lanka today, Syria, Egypt, Macedonia, etc. He sent his son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra to Ceylon, present day Sri Lanka, to preach Buddhism. In addition propagating religion, Ashoka also carried out public welfare work like managing treatment of humans and animals, digging wells, growing trees, constructing roads and constructing restrooms. Ashoka is said to be a great king in history because of his qualities and deeds. Emperor Ashoka died in 232 BC. He ruled for 36 years. Administration of Mauryan era. Chandragupta Maurya established a large empire. It was expanded by Emperor Ashoka. Chandragupta's chief minister and sharp politician Vishnugupta Chanakya Kautilya divided large Mauryan empire for well-organized administration. During this time, there were three sections of the administration. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.